Hello, I just wanted to give you a really quick tour of our financial analysis tool. This is the main window of EMS. As you can see, there's a lot of functions and features here. But for the purposes of this little video, we're going to go ahead and look at the GL transaction utility that I built, which is analysis of the general ledger. So, basic search tool up the top. There's three tabs in the body of the window. There's all the general ledger details. There's the general ledger summary analysis, and there's the budget analysis. So the details works very simply. You can search by a variety of things. The default searches are account number, user doc, GL account, and it's all by starts with typing the GL account. It selects all the GL accounts that you've chosen. So if you're looking at a particular transaction, this is the window you would use. If you're looking to do some summary analysis, meaning a lot of times you just want to see what we've done revenue-wise, expense-wise for a particular GL account or GL code. So you do that here. What's nice about this is you could run this for any particular time period or in any particular year, and it populates the columns going left to right. So it's going to populate column 1. We could have a start year be 2014, and we'll do July of 2014 for the first run. So we hit run, and as you can see, it'll populate the first column. First it populates the code with the GL name, and then the first column with July 2014. And then if we want a comparison, so this is a very powerful tool because now we can choose 2015, and you can see the options here. You can choose any month, any quarter, or the entire year. But to do apples to apples, we'll compare July 2014 to July 2015, and that will populate column 2 when you hit run. And now, as you can see, it's populating the second column. And you're capable of doing that for up to 12 time periods. So two more quick features about this window is the sum at the end. So if you wanted to do, there's 12 time periods. So if you wanted to do January through December or a fiscal year, you can go ahead and do that. The other feature of this window is you could filter. So if we just want to see revenue GLs only, we choose revenue, and it automatically filters. We could see all the revenue that has been posted to the general ledger for the time periods chosen. And you can see an apples to apples comparison for each particular general ledger code. Expenses, the same thing. So finally, in this window, we have the GL budget analysis. And here, there's two parts to this window. There's your build and your comparison window. So all of the data building happens here, and you can compare again apples to apples. So if you choose, say, August, the button will turn to load new because there hasn't been a budget loaded for August of 2015. So you choose load new, and it will create the opportunity to build a budget for that month. And there you go, it's that fast. So now you can just go through and type in your budget in each code, like so, on down. And then as the month goes on, you can say, let's say for July, you would click Analyze, and it'll capture the actuals and compare them to the budget. And you can see that it gives you a percentage. So you're at 98% of your budget here, not quite over budget. And here you're over budget, that's why it turns red. You're at 56% over your budget, or 156% of your budget. The purpose for this window, or this half of the window, is you can do a comparison. So if you wanted to see 2014 and how you did on your budget compared to 2015, you would be able to do that here. And that's how the GL transaction window works, or at least the GL analysis window.